we will never share anything bad to the people we love. And basically, we don't want to destroy our names as well. In this kind of business, by helping other people, we are also benefiting from it. And that's the beauty of it.
Health, financial freedom, time freedom. Anybody can have that. Kaya lang, hindi po siyang pwedeng ipagsabay. Meron kang pera pero sometimes dahil sa sobrang stress mo, hindi ka healthy. Marami kang pera pero wala kang time sa pamilya mo. What I really love about you sana is pwede mong ipagsabay. Sabihin na lang natin kumita ka ng 100,000 kahit hindi milyon. Pero walang time in, walang time out, walang mamam, walang sir-sir, walang bandiklak, ang sarap nun. Kasi imagine, 15 years ka na gumigising ng alas 5 para papasok ng alas 7. Tapos ngayon, 50 ka na, papasok ka pa rin ng alas 7. So, it's just a matter of having the right, having the time freedom, financial freedom, and health. Na nakikita ko sa iyo sana na talagang pwedeng ipagsabay.
I'm very thankful I found Yusana in my life because of my family. I love my family, that's why I'm doing Yusana.
ProAct because ProAct can give full support to each and every member.
Nganong nag-Yusana mi kay tungod na kung sa business, traditional business, pila ra ka tawo ang matabangan through employment. But here in Yusana, mas daghan ang tawo nga matabangan ug ang imuhang matabangan dili lang ang security sa ilang pang-adlaw-adlaw nga kinabuhi, kundi ang ilaha pang damgog yun ang mao ang maabot.
Start for just the extra income, no? Just to augment what they already have in their daytime jobs. And then some eventually it evolves, no? Kita nila it's not anymore about the money, it's already about helping others, no? Improve themselves, personal development, improve themselves in terms of health, at the same time in terms of wealth.
Tinatawag na I really want to leave a legacy for my family. Okay? Hindi lang para sa na magulang ko, sa mga kapatid ko, at lalo na sa anak ko, but para na rin sa apo ng aking mga apo. Bakit? Yung trabaho, definitely hindi ko may papapasa. Negosyo ko pwede, pero kung ayaw naman ng anak ko, ano magagawa ko? But alam kong kaya kong ibigay. Kahit ayaw ng anak ko, tatanggapin niya na lang yung tinatanggap ko.